If your ink's too slow and your nib won't flow, here's one of the places that you can go. Larry is here to see you through with Mr. Announcer and Cubby too. It's Larry's Fountain Pen Reviews.
Hello folks, how's it going everybody? Hope you all having a great day today. I just want to remind everybody, if you're available for tomorrow, that's a Sunday, April 24th at 11 a.m. Central Time, on my Zoom channel, I'm having the gentleman from Click Fountain Pens. So, if you have the time and want to hang out, you're welcome. Use the code that I've sent to get on. You'll be able to interact and meet the gentleman and ask him questions. So again, if you can make that, put it on your list for tomorrow morning, Sunday, March 23rd. Is that right, Mr. Announcer? 23rd.
Yes.
At 11 a.m. Central Time. And a quick rundown of what else is happening. April 29th at 5 p.m. Central Time, I'm having Yo Israel, the gentleman who makes all these beautiful journals. Come on. And on May the 7th at 11 a.m. Central Time, I'm having Dante
Del Vecchio.
Come on. That's going to be a hot one. Remember, Sunday, May 7th at 11 a.m. Central Time with Dante Del Vecchio. And on Sunday, May 28th at 11 a.m. Central Time, we're going to have a pen get-together. And I just put on the list Joe and Tony. Well, it's really Dave, my mistake, Ultimate Dave and Tony. So I'll have to get that change on Mr. Announcer. Okay, Mr. Announcer?
Okay.
That's Ultimate Dave. I don't know why I call him Joe. He's not Doc, he's Dave. So that's part of the dementia, I guess. But you all understand, right? Bear with me. What else is going on? And I think that's it for now. So again, check mrannouncer.info. Is that how they can find out?
Yes.
So again, we're going to have to change the Sunday, May 28th at 11 a.m. Central Time. Instead of Joe, it's going to be
Penultimate Dave.
Ultimate Dave, the Pen God. Ta-da! So, hey, they're real fun. Had a blast with Tony and Dave. When we were on last time, we had a blast talking what we love, fountain pens and more fountain pens. So, with that said, my friends, that's going to do me. Peace and lots of love to each and every one. It's all about rock and roll, fountain pens, good food. Love some pizza right now. And upcoming review will be on this beautiful, stunning, awesome Mike Green custom pens, the Giraffe. Now mine's a bit different. I had him make it the way I want it made as far as the pen shape, the dimensions, clip, the nib, all that good stuff. It's what I wanted, and of course, Mr. Mike delivers. Thank you, everybody. That's going to do me. Bye-bye. Peace and love.